Good morning, students. How are you? This is BN Jha welcomes you in the e-learning program of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, in our previous video, we have described about characteristics of synthetic fibers. You know, synthetic fibers has been part and parcel of our lives. Synthetic fibers are used widely throughout the world. But synthetic fibers have also some disadvantages which cause harm to the human being. Especially clothes made from synthetic fibers are not suitable in all the weather and all the periods. Students, it, synthetic fibers have some drawbacks, some disadvantages. Today, we are going to discuss about the disadvantages of synthetic fibers. So the first disadvantage is synthetic fibers burns readily. Students, synthetic fiber melts before burning. Synthetic fiber catches fire more readily than natural fibers. Synthetic fibers makes beads before burning, and the beads are stuck to the skin of the bearer, causing great harm to them. This is because it is not preferable to the person who works in kitchen or nearby furnace or flame. Synthetic cloths of synthetic fibers are not used for those workers who works nearby the blast furnace and other furnace where the temperature is high and may catch fire. So the second disadvantage of synthetic fiber is that synthetic fibers are non-biodegradable. Students, non-biodegradable means they do not decompose easily for long time. And when synthetic fiber, cloths of synthetic fibers and other materials synthetic fibers, when used up, they are thrown anywhere else. They are thrown to the fields and they do not decompose. So they cause soil pollution. One more great disadvantage of synthetic fibers is that they cause a problem of garbage. The world today facing a great problem of garbage, and the synthetic fibers being non-biodegradable causes great problems of garbage. Third disadvantage of synthetic fiber is that cloths of synthetic fibers are uncomfortable during summer. We prefer to wear cotton cloths during summer. It is because Most of the synthetic fibers can absorb very little moisture. In hot, humid summer, sweat is trapped in between a skin and the synthetic fibers cloths, which makes the wearer uncomfortable and can produce different types of diseases. The fourth disadvantage of synthetic fiber is synthetic fibers develops a skin problem. Students, when we wear clothes made from synthetic fibers for long time or continuously, it develops a static electricity in dry weather, and the sparks due to the static electricity can be seen at night. You may have experienced some of your clothes when you disclose these clothes at night before the bed, it produces a spark. These sparks are due to the electric charges produced by the synthetic cloths. The sparks can cause skin diseases like eczema, and other skin diseases may be caused due to these synthetic cloths. Students, actually, synthetic materials, synthetic fibers has become important for the life of the human being throughout the world. It is required to use judiciously and wisely so that they do not cause any harm to our body and the life. Thank you. See you next day with the new topic, plastic. Thank you.